In today's video, we will take out the rear door panel for 2023 Ford Edge. We will use a plastic trim remover tool to take out the plastic cover for the inner door handle. Plastic cover is taken out. Notice behind the cover there is one 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. Here I'm using an impact gun with a 10mm socket, but you can use a round head ratchet with a 10mm socket as well. Screw is taken out. Now we will use a 7mm nut setter to take out two more screws from the bottom side. Both of these screws are right beside each other and we will be taking them out one by one. Now using the same plastic trim remover tool, we will also need to take out the switch cover. Cover is out. Also take out the plug for that. Just press and hold the middle tab and then pull the plug outwards. Notice behind the cover there is also one 10mm screw that also needs to be taken out. Now we will punch in the plastic trim remover tool from the edge to make some room and then pull the door panel from the corner. You may have to pull a little hard here in order for the door panel to come out. Same force needs to be applied on the other side to pull the cover out. And now we will slightly lift the door panel from both sides in order to take it out. Once the door panel is taken apart, now we have to take out the harness for the door handle. All you have to do is just open the inner door handle from outside and then the plug comes out itself. Just like that. We then take out the bigger plug which is in the middle. And then also take out the plug for the speaker on the corner. With that, we are done taking down the rear door panel completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Here are the list of tools used for this takeout.